What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Hey, y'all. Look how cute. So I don't know where he's gonna go yet, but we're gonna make a little wreath with him. So I grabbed a pine base that's already nice, pretty, and full. Let's make the bow. So let's start with our ribbon. We're gonna measure out a pretty decent tail. Give it a good twist. Slide that in there. We're gonna measure out about 7 inches. Y'all, this is some Sam's Club ribbon, so it's not amazing quality, but it matches really good. All right, going to measure out our tail up here. We're gonna make our loops. All right, now I want the bow to have a little bit more in it. So I'm gonna do another layer of everything. It's all the loops. Let's get this one. Tie it off. Take our little wire, fold that over. Slide it off. All right. Give it a little pinch. All right, so there's our bow. Look how cute. Okay, so I think I'm gonna post it a little bit off to the side and then have this bow off to this side. All right, y'all. So luckily, all right, so this piece is kind of heavy. Right, this piece is kind of heavy. So I'm trying to use the braces on the tree so that we don't have to get crazy with it. Gonna try to get a pipe cleaner through it. There we go. All right, so I'm just gonna wrap that pipe cleaner right around the frame. All right, gonna get this side. Y'all, all I'm doing is tying this bow right around the frame of the wreath. All right, so y'all, all we did was we took our pine base that was nice, pretty flocked. We added a cute attachment. Adding ourselves a little bow to dress it up. Y'all, look how cute. Just super simple.